been going to the embassy, but you know what happened?
They said it's under investigation.
Why?
Because I was married before, then after that I changed my last name.
Oh, good.
She was married before, and then she changed her husband.
And then I moved.
That's my husband. She changed husband, and then after that, changed husband again. Changed husbands. And then, this is it. Is this the last time for the change of your husband? What do you think? Okay, so we will talk about termination. I'm sure.
Then they sent a letter, the embassy, to my old address.
And then what did they say?
I guess I did not get the letter. Then I guess then they sent it back. So I don't know what happened. Then my mom and me we keep going to the embassy, and we're asking why is the petition still not approved. And then they said,
That's Michael. Attorney Michael.
Your microphone.
Well, these questions, Attorney Michael Gavigan can answer all the questions. There's a reason for that, okay? Maybe we can talk to him without any fees, without any talent fees. Things like that. Without any expenses. At the backstage, we can do that, okay? Huawei Citizen Pinoy, Garfinkel, Huawei is helping a lot of Filipinos, and that's true. If you just know what they're doing, I just like to commend, of course, applause for Attorney Garfinkel and Tita Millie. They're helping a lot of Filipinos. That's why we are here today, because of them. He helped me, he helped Huawei, he's helping ABS-CBN, and he's like my dad because, you know, he's rich.
Gago!
Ano mo?
He's rich.
Mag-aanak na naman. Yung talent na yan. Okay.
kaya kayong lahat, gigiling ako.
Alright, sige. Gigiling ka ba?
Kaya, that's why she got pregnant.
Wow! Kaya ka ba nakakuha ng binata eh? Tinatanong ko dahil sanay na sanay!
Nabibig ko yung asawa ko.
Diyan na talaga galing mo ito. Okay, ready? $100. Everyone, okay. Good luck. Solid, Jean, ha? Jean, kamusta? Okay, kamusta kayo?
Buti.
Nag-isaan ka sa atin?
Sa Manila.
Sa loob?
Kailan ka lumabas? Okay, kailan ka anak mo? Lima. Andito ba sila kasama mo?
Yung apat.
Yung isa, andun
Yung
pa.
isa na sa Philippines.
Yung husband mo kasama mo?
Wala akong kasama.
Lima anak mo, ano lumabas ka sa'yo?
Tatlo, ikaw wala. Ano ba siya?
Pero sa isang lalaki na ngayon.
Apat kong anak, isa ang tatay, tapos yung may nakalala ko dito, iyon ang isang tatay, isa lang.
So yung apat.
Isa tatay lang. High school boyfriend ko.
High school. Siya yung first time mo.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Ngayon, husband mo yun, kasama mo.
No, nilayasan ako.
Ano yung mga buhay nyo? Bakit siya nilayasan?
Nung may isa sa PI, I guess nakita niya yung first girlfriend niya. Ito siya, nung bumalik sa amin dito, lagi nang tulala. Yun na yun.
Ano siya? It's like that.
Dito, babalik ko sa
Parang he's like looking somewhere.
Sabi niya, may problema daw. Sabi ko, bakit? Gusto ko sana sumama. Pero, dahil mga anak ko rin nandito, so, naiwan ako.
So, hiwalay na kayo.
Iwalay na kami. Matagal na. 4 years na. Magpo 5 years na.
Alright, so apat mo anak nandito, yung isang anak, yung nasa doon sa kanya yung pangalawa.
Hindi. Yung anak ko nasa Pilipinas, anak ko, tatay nun, yung sa Umaray. Kasi,
Kaya tayo ng buhay.
noon naman ako. So, naiwan ko siya.
Alright, so ngayon wala kang boyfriend?
Meron.
Nag-enjoy, enjoy tayo, papak na mo buhay. Anong boyfriend mo, Pilipino?
Puti, puti.
Puti na. Pumili ng puti, okay. Okay, asan ang husband mo? Asan siya, boyfriend mo?
Ang boyfriend ko ngayon, nasa bahay ko ngayon.
Sa bahay mo, ha?
Pero hindi siya taga dito sa San Diego. Taga LA siya.
Wow.
Napunta lang siya rito every weekend.
Wow.